11,931, my speaking practice. Yesterday I found that after several speeches I feel a little bit tired and I don't have any desire to talk more. And the same with writing. I also found that if I write a lot, at the evening I don't feel even a desire to write a one page in my journal. And it means I will pay attention for that. And I want to, I don't, yesterday and day before yesterday, I tried to convince myself that it's important to talk more and make as many speeches as possible, but actually it's not the case. I think the important issue is just to talk, and now I see how I can be exhausted, and after being exhausted I can lose all motivation to talk and to continue. I think the point is to start to talk one speech every day, I guess in the morning, and then to see how am I feel. If I feel good, it's okay, I can continue talk more. If I don't want to talk, I have to do just one simple speech, and to see my conscious, to see my mind, how I am today, what I think, how I can think and how I can talk. Really, it's important. I made this speech before when I tried to come back to this practice, to focus attention on pronunciation on all parts of speech. For example, if I now start to talk, and then if I examine myself, I can see, oh, okay, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, or many mistakes. I can count all mistakes. By mistakes, I mean chiefly not the grammar mistakes in my speech, which I can't identify which I can't identify because if I do grammar mistake, it means that I do them unconsciously. But there are many things that I can identify, and these things are some special parts of my speech like okay, and all these things. And I can eliminate them completely just by focusing attention on these things and then counting how many of these things arrived in my speech afterwards. It's easy, I can work with that, and I can just talk about these things and make attempts to expand the field of my thoughts into some different point, into some